Hey guys, welcome to Vinyl TV. This is Epson XP 5155. This printer right now we install the ink. If you want to remove the ink cartridges, maybe you change your mind or the ink is not yet full, I want to show you how you can remove the ink. Okay, to do that, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the settings. Okay, now go to use the arrow, go up to the ink, select the ink. Once you select the ink, now you can see you can print supply status sheet or select replace ink. So select replace ink, select OK, and replace the ink cartridges. Okay, select next. Okay, now once you start, remove and replace ink cartridges promptly. Delaying the insertion of the new cartridges may cause print to perform additional maintenance. Okay, select start. So open it up. Okay, so right now it will bring out the printer to the setting for you to replace it. Okay, so you need to first of all select the function from the printer. Okay, what you want to do. So gently go to P, and P is out. If you look from the LCD screen, it will show you that BK, which is black, BK is out and it's empty. The next is blue. So the next color is blue. If we remove blue color, you can see the blue is empty. What remains right now is M and yellow. M is for red and Y is for yellow. Okay, so remove M, and this red color right now will be out. You can see red is out. The last but not the least is yellow. Okay, remove it, and you can see it will show you completed. Select OK. Okay, and it will move. Okay, you can see it goes to the corner. Okay, and close it. So this is how to switch the printer off. This is how to remove the ink cartridges. Okay, if you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.